parts over here. I was very dehydrated. Mom, look at one of my dog. Look at one of my ports are. Is that a dog for us? For us? Is this a dog for us? Oh my gosh! You bought us a dog? Oh my! Thanks, Mom and Dad. Do we have a name for it?
You have to pick out You have to pick out a bunch of names for it. And then what we'll do is we'll, as a family, we'll pick which one we like the best. Okay?
So Elizabeth, you get to pick out the name, but
You
we
pick
all
out
have to
one.
agree on it.
So much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, so thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Is it not energetic?
Hello, puppy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. I never thought I would. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god. I can't believe it. This is so cute.
You're welcome, honey.